Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you this product that I just received today. This is a premium cotton satin sheets. It's like a double cover set. Came in this bag. This is a plastic bag. The bag is opened with this zipper that you can see here. These sheets are made of satin, so are glowy and are so soft. You can buy it in different sizes. This one is king size. The color is like baby blue. And I'm gonna use it now, and I want to show you how they look in my bed. Let me show you the color more closely. It's like a beautiful baby blue. And as you can see, have this little shiny of the satin. Two pieces, so you can put these ones inside. And the Duvet set came with this. So you can put, look, these are the bottoms that you can open and close your duvet. And the way that you can use it is put it inside your sheet or your... So my duvet is already put it. As you can see, look gorgeous. I'm gonna put my pillow inside. And this is the final step. You put your pillows. I just used one, but your duvet cover set came with two for your pillow, so it's so easy to put, as you can see. And now my bed looks beautiful in this color. As you can see, the color is so beautiful. The texture is so soft. And I think that it's an excellent product for the season. And so easy to put. So I highly recommend this duvet cover set. See you.